Oh, hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own tarot cards, the Escape the Night tarot cards, using Kinemaster, this app. So first, of course you need to download it, but then after downloading it, you need to get one of your photos for the tarot card. Oops, nope, not like that. Then you need to get your own tarot card, like this. Look, I have my own tarot card right here. Then you have to go to Layer, Media, go to Camera, and get your tarot card. After adjusting a little by like cropping it. Hold on. Okay, this one. So then you have to go to a certain feature on the phone. Hold on, I'm trying to line this up. There. Okay, then you have to go to chroma key, and you have to be behind a color that doesn't match with your clothes or your skin. So like this color behind, if I do it with that, it doesn't match. It can't match with my skin. If I do it brown, it still matches my skin. I can't do this because I'm wearing something blue like that. I am behind a blue green thing which doesn't match with anything in my body. So that's why it's gonna work easy. So go to chroma key, enable it, then find the right thing. Curve it if you must. Hold on, I made it wrong. Hold on. And good enough. Okay, then you have to go to text and write your name. I am obviously you're gonna make it big and put it on the slant. Put it right near your name. Then name it yellow and do this. Go to the font, Latin, Creepster. Is the most resemblance. There you go. So then if you're gonna make like an elimination like this card, you want to go back, go here, layer, and take any of these and slap it on your body. You have to make it on. You have to put it first before the the thing. The text, you have to go put it after the text, and there you go. But after that, just press it and screenshot. Hold on. Bam. Then you have to crop it to the card, and bam. That's how you make your own Escape the Night tarot card for any of your Escape the Night fans, which I am also. But I'll show you one of my original ones, like this one, which I had tried to copy, like Joey's card. Ignore all these. I got all of them so that I can copy like those little bits. No. But where is my original one? Hold on. Oh, here it is. So here's the card I screenshotted. Here's me, the first one I made, and here's my elimination card. I literally just used this axe, like this axe with its tip. I just did the same thing. I just aimed it to a door, and just pictured it like this. Hold on. So I just aimed it to something that doesn't match with its color and just chroma keyed it. Okay. So that's about that's about it of how to make your own tarot card with your own, I don't know, like with Kinemaster on mobile. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.